Daily English speaking for kids. What's the time now? What's the time now? It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Go to bed now. It's late. Go to bed now. It's late. Wake up. Wake up. Make your bed. Make your bed. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Take a bath. Take a bath. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Do not talk while eating. Do not talk while eating. Wash the dishes after the meal. Wash the dishes after the meal. Go to school. Go to school. Read your book. Read your book. Do your homework. Do your homework. Play with friends. Play with friends. Please pick up your toys. Please pick up your toys. Arrange your books. Arrange your books. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Come, let's play in the park. Come, let's play in the park. Hi, what's your favorite color? Hi, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. I love mathematics. I love mathematics. Help me, please. Help me, please. Don't cry. Don't cry. Here is your birthday gift. Here is your birthday gift. Thanks for the flowers. Thanks for the flowers. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Do not run on a wet floor. Do not run on a wet floor. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. Have some fruits and vegetables. Have some fruits and vegetables. Come, let's play hide and seek. Come, let's play hide and seek. Keep the house clean. Keep the house clean. It's bedtime now. It's bedtime now.